Alright, now I've taken off the stator and all of the other parts in the front of this Gy6 motor. It's a big mess here with the oil. It did drain the oil, but of course oil's in the bottom of the base pan there, on the bottom of the motor. The problem I think I have is this apparatus right here and this. Now, this is my first time taking this down. What I believe is that this goes here. Okay, that's the wrong way. I think this. Oops. Okay, something dropped out. That's fine. All right. Take a look at this right here. Do you see that? It appears as if it has been. Can you see that? Get a focus here. It's actually been worn down or broken. That's one. Here's the other one. And here's the third one. It's the shortest. Can you see that? The shortest of all. Now, when I opened this case, this piece just dropped right out. And it looks as if it belongs on top of that there, something like that. These are some type of bearings, or I don't know exactly what they are, but if you look here, you see that thing that's shaking in there. It has a spring on it. So this spring just goes all the way in this hole. I can get it in the hole. Good. Oops, and I'm using one hand. But that goes in the hole, and the bearing thing goes in there. And what I've realized is, as you turn, right, this like this, as you turn it, it will spin one way, but won't go the other way. So I assume that when you try to start the motor, this engages along with these things, engage, and the clutch, like it feels like a clutch. It grips onto this flywheel, and it then engages into these things, these holes here. I would assume, or this little pin as well. This dropped out too, by the way, but this I think belongs here. But looking at this actually, you know what? Now I'm thinking this is broken. These things here, you know, I just believe that I'm pretty smart. These things sit inside here. Of course, let me show you. Okay, one second, I get it off. Wait, all right, there you go. Bang. Yeah, these keys or pins sit inside the open slots here. That's one. Oh, no, that's broken. That's the other one. That's two, and that's three. Now, looking at it, they are actually attached, I believe, to this. Okay, so when the starter turns, this would engage. That would lock into place to start it, and then this would disengage, because obviously this has some kind of plane movement here. All right. So I'm not sure if it kickstart and zoom, shoots back in with suction or whatever. Okay. Yeah, the smaller teeth are for the starter. These teeth are to engage in the flywheel. And obviously this here, this is broken here inside. That's broken. That's broken. At some point the motor would turn, but there was a very loud clack, 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 like a knocking noise, and it sounded like this right here. You listen. Very, very fast. That's what I was getting. Why? I have no idea. I don't know if it's a vibration. I don't know if this. I don't know what's causing it, but I would assume that's what it is. Now I got to get on eBay and I have to order this thing here, whatever this is called. I'll figure the name out. And once it's up and running, then, you know, that's right. Okay. Oh, that was someone just there. Yeah. Ghosts. Ghost is in the house. Okay, alright.